The PNC proposed design includes multiple ground floor commercial opportunities of varying sizes. Organizations, small businesses, and street vendors based in the Mission District, Bayview, and Potrero Hill will be prioritized as potential tenants. Proposed commercial spaces include a 789 square foot space at the corner of 17th and Hampshire Streets, across from Franklin Square, with safe access to the park through a new crosswalk as shown here. A 1,052 square foot space is located at the corner of Bryant and Mariposa Streets, across from the KQED headquarters. At the corner of 17th and Bryant Streets, across from the playground at Franklin Square, a 1,284 square foot retail space is available. Additionally, PNC has included space for public restrooms adjacent to this commercial space and SFMTA employee entrance. Dedicated spaces for street vendors are proposed along 17th Street to support residents, SFMTA employee, and park goer needs. The proposed commercial and retail program as described is subject to feasibility. We anticipate commercial leasing to begin in late 2027. As we prepare for this milestone, please let us know what type of neighborhood serving organizations, businesses, or street vendors that you would visit at Potrero Yard. You may provide your responses or any additional comments via email to potreroyard@plenaryamericas.com.